Hello friends, I'm Akash, and a hearty welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to be learning a very simple math trick to learn how to easily multiply any number by 25 in your head in as little as 5 seconds. Now before we begin this trick, we're going to have to learn why it works. Now, the important thing to note is that 25 can be represented as 100 divided by 4. So all you have to do for this trick is divide by 4 and multiply by 100. Now, in most cases, you won't be able to divide by 4 cleanly, so we're gonna have to take a look at the remainders. But this is something I'm going to be talking about in just a moment. So let's take our first example. Say 32 times 25. Now, in order to figure this out, we're first going to divide 32 by 4. And 32 divided by 4 is 8. And after that, all we have to do is just put 2 zeros at the end, and we get the answer. 32 times 25 is 800. Let's take a look at our next example. 97 times 25. Now, as you may notice, 97 does not go evenly into 4. So what we have to do is find the closest multiple of 4 without going over 97. This case is just 96. So, as 97 is 96 plus 1, we just do 96 divided by 4, which is 24. Now, since doing 97 divided by 4 will leave us with a remainder of 1. And here's a very important part of this trick. Because as you don't usually always end up with a clean, even multiple of 4, you're going to have to take a look at this. So, if the remainder of a division is 1, then you'll have to put a 25 at the end instead of 00. If the remainder is 2, you have to put 50 at the end, and if it is 3, you have to put 75 at the end. You can think of it as 1/4, 2/4, which is just 1/2, and 3/4, which is 0.25, 0.50, and 0.75, hence 25, 50, and 75. So, since 97 divided by 4 will leave us with a remainder of 1, that means we must put 25 at the end, which means 97 times 25 is 2,425, and that is the answer. Let's take a look at another example. Say 246 times 25. Now, 246 also does not evenly go into 4, so we have to find the closest multiple of 4 without going over 246. In this case, it's 244, which, when divided by 4, is equal to 61. As 246 divided by 4 leaves us with a remainder of 2, this means that we have to put a 50 at the end, which means that 246 times 25 is 6,150. And that is the answer. Let's take a look at one final example here. 4,779 times 25. Now, in this case, it's kind of obvious that this number also does not evenly divide into 4. So we have to again find the closest multiple of 4 that is below 4,779. In this case, it's 4,776, which when divided by 4 is equal to 1,194. So, with this in mind, we can write down 1194 as the first 4 digits of the answer. And since 4,779 divided by 4 will result in a remainder of 3, this means we have to put a 75 at the end, which means that 4,779 times 25 is 119,475, and that is the answer. Now that you know this math trick to master how to multiply any number by 25 easily, let's take a look at some homework. Try to figure out what 45 times 25 is, what 112 times 25 is, and what 3,967 times 25 is. Make sure to put your answers down in the comment section below, and for your convenience, the correct answers to all of these questions will be down in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. Love you, Akash.